Gcinekhaya.
Yes, considering Gcinekhaya. Yes. What are you going to do for us today?
I'm gonna be singing 1,000 Years from Twilight.
Can't wait to hear that.
Thank you, sir. Heart beats fast, colors and promises. How to be brave? How can I love when I'm afraid to fall? Watching you stand alone, all of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow. I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I've loved you for 1,000 more. All along I believe I will find you. Time has brought your heart to me. I've loved you for 1,000 years. I've loved you for 1,000 more.
Okay.
Sorry.
Interesting.
Yeah, very
Yeah,
interesting.
interesting. I think there's something there. I think I liked it. She said.
I loved it. I think definitely you have some room to grow, but beautiful, beautiful song.
It's going to be a yes from me.
Hey, come get your car. Come get your ticket.
All right, number 79.